up here, right up through here, in the laugh lines. My smile lines, they sometimes tend to go really deeply because gravity. And my eyes, underneath my eyes. And what people don't realize is when they have something underneath their eyes, they don't need to go under the knife, they just need to fill it. It's easier if you find out early because then you can just maintain what you have. Once you've lost it, to regain what you've lost is a whole different ballgame. And now the newest kid on the block is Bellafill, and that has blown away all the competition. Instead of coming back in here every 6 to 8 months and getting fillers, which are not cheap, it adds up. You get Bellafill and you're good for 5 years, and I think that is amazing. You can go on your lunch hour, get Bellafill. The minute it's injected into you, you're good to go. And you go back to the office, and no one ever knows. All they know is that you look better, but they don't know why. And that's what you want in plastic surgery. It's that subtlety, yes. I'm feeling extremely confident walking in there, yeah. I tell them, go to Dr. Dahiya, he will take care of you. As a matter of fact, I brought my sister-in-law here when he was having a special on Bellafill. She looked so amazing, but you didn't know why. You wouldn't look at her and say, oh wow, your smile lines are gone. You wouldn't look at her and say that. You'd look at her and say, you look great. That's what a professional will do for you in plastic surgery. I have recommended Dr. Dahiya several times to people who look at me and they know I don't look my age, but they don't know why. All they know is that they don't see any wrinkles or lines, or people ask me how I do it, and I'm very open about it.